Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your engagement strategy with Sprout Social, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your engagement strategy with Sprout Social, start by logging into your Sprout Social account. Once logged in, navigate to the Engagement tab located on the left sidebar. Here, you will find a comprehensive overview of your social media interactions. Begin by reviewing the Incoming Messages section to monitor direct messages and comments. Check the Overview dashboard to get insights into overall engagement metrics. Look for engagement trends over a specific period to identify patterns in audience interaction. Next, utilize the Smart Inbox feature to manage all messages from various platforms in one place. Filter messages by platform or tag to streamline your analysis process. Use the response rate metric to evaluate how quickly your team responds to messages. Examine the sentiment analysis report to gauge audience perceptions of your brand. To further understand your performance, compare engagement rates across different platforms. Set benchmarks by analyzing past performance to measure current engagement strategy effectiveness. Once you have gathered enough data, create custom reports using the reporting feature. Focus on key performance indicators that matter most to your business goals. Share these reports with your team to align on strategy adjustments. Lastly, make data-driven decisions to refine your engagement tactics continuously. Remember, engagement strategies should be adaptable as audience preferences evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.